so many people, sold out so many cities all over the world. It is unbelievable what is happening with this band around the world. But none of this is because we do reality TV bullshit. None of this is because we appear on music television. All of it is because we have an audience of people who are real, who love us, who love metal, and that, my friends, is you.